What's going on, people? So today we're going to be checking out this multifunctional digital recorder made by DigitNow. So this is a multifunctional FHD video recorder with a built-in screen. So we're going to check out, see what comes in the box, see what it can do, and see if it's worth your money. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and hop into the box. So we got your instruction manuals, it looks like. 3-year warranty. Has a nice size instruction manual. You throw that to the side. Got the actual unit itself. Not bad looking. Got your screen, got your buttons at the top. I don't see any mounting options for this. So if you wanted to mount this on a camera, it don't look like that's going to be an option. Got your HDMI out, your HDMI in, got your AV out, your AV in. And on the other side, you have your standard SD card slot, which you can use to put in your SD card. And on the front, you have some menu options and navigation buttons for your menu. And then at the top, we have a power, USB, and USB Type-C. In the box, it looks like it comes with a RCA cable. So if you want to hook this up and record from an old VCR or something like that, that is an option. Or you want to record one of the older gaming systems, you can do that. You got your USB-A to USB-C cable. You got your power brick, and even throw in the HDMI cable. And it also comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card slot. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plug this thing up and see what it can do. All right, so now we got everything hooked up, and I'll have this hooked up to my MacBook Pro, and it's showing up as a second screen, so I could actually duplicate my screen if I wanted to record exactly what was coming from the screen. But instead, actually, let me move this camera. So I have everything duplicated on this screen. Or I actually have this set up as a second display. So I could have just duplicated what I have on this screen onto this screen, but just so I can see what I'm doing better, I made it as a second screen. So right now, as you can see on the display, it shows that the display is charging. Now I have the HDMI out coming from the laptop into here. Now, if I wanted to come from here and then to another monitor, it also has an HDMI out, which is also 1080p. So if I want to do that, you can also use this as like a pass-through device while you're recording. Now, just looking at the screen actually looks pretty nice. It's an OLED display, so it has a nice look to it, has nice color. But the main reason you want to use a device like this is to record and not to actually be watching content on this. So this is definitely more than adequate for what you're going to be using it for. While that's up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to hit the record button, which I believe is here. All right, and now you can see that we're recording. As you see on the screen, you got the countdown. And now I'm going to drag this over to this screen. If I can figure out how to do it, okay. All right, so now I drag this window over to this screen. I'm gonna blow that up, and I'm gonna play a video. Now, this is recording straight from the laptop. Now, if you're thinking all of the different use cases for this, if you wanted to hook up a gaming system to this and record some content, you can hook this up to a camera, view the HDMI out if your camera has an HDMI out, and record your footage directly to this device. Although it doesn't have any mounting points, but you could do that if you wanted to. Old VCR tapes that you want to convert into a digital format is what I think a lot of people use this device for. So it's pretty versatile in what it can do, because it has the HDMI input and it also has that RCA input to where you can take it from either like one of the older gaming systems, or you can take it from like an old VCR system or something like that to get that old footage into a digital format. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and stop this recording. I believe we can do that by hitting the record button again, maybe. All right, yeah, so it looked like hitting the record button again will stop your recording. I did notice that the video playback on an actual device is not as smooth as the original video. So hopefully you don't see that issue in the actual recorded video. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and give you an example of what the actual recorded video looks like that's gonna be saved onto the SD card. So the footage actually looks really good. You don't have that stutter issue when you're actually watching a video on playback. As you can see, I'm playing it right now for you. So I think this is a really versatile device that you can use in a lot of different scenarios. So I'll have the link down in the description if you want to check this out. If you have any other questions about this device that I didn't cover in this video, definitely drop them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to them. First of all, I want to thank y'all for watching. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. But first of all, I want to thank everyone that subscribed to the channel already. I definitely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, come on and join the family. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next video.